Greetings and welcome to Youtique Bridal. In this video, I'm going to show you how I softened this stiff lace trim. I had purchased 5 yards of this trim to use on my bridal lace top, but it was stiff and scratchy against my skin. Although I had a feeling it was not a natural fiber, I still wanted to do the test to see if it was synthetic or natural. So I used a lighter test in which I would burn the end of the fabric. So if it melts, then it is synthetic, and if there is a flame, then it is a natural fiber. So it is confirmed that this is synthetic. So here is an example of a natural fiber. This is my lace trim that is 100% cotton, and when I light it up, you will see a flame. So please be extra cautious when doing this test and make sure you have a bowl of water nearby. The purpose for these tests were to see the care of the fabric. Since my skin is fairly sensitive, I looked for a fabric softener that was free of perfumes and clear of dyes. To start the softening process, I created a mixture of 3-part water and 1 part fabric softener. So here I'm going to pour in 3 cups of water. Now I'm going to pour in 1 cup of fabric softener, and then just mix it together. So for day 1, I placed the lace trim into the mixture and then let it soak overnight. It's day 2, 5 o'clock p.m. and I am going to see how soft this is. And it's gotten softer. It's a little bit softer, but
can I feel
not as soft.
Can I feel it a little bit?
Yeah, you can. A little bit softer than the first day. Yeah. So I'm going to leave it in 1 more day. Let's see. I decided to let it soak another day, so I didn't bother checking it on day 3. Ooh. Yes, it is very soft. Very soft. So I'm just gonna... I really like the feel of the lace trim on day 4, so I decided to lay it out and let it dry. I didn't use my towel to absorb some of the liquid, but I left it overnight just to make sure it was completely dry. The lace did feel softer and it didn't scratch against my skin, so I am happy with the outcome. It is now ready to be used on my bridal lace top. Feel free to share if you ever tried softening a fabric and what techniques did you use. I would love for us to all learn from each other. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to click like, subscribe, and click on that bell so you can get notified when I have new videos and tutorials up.